Yo, this is how to find a good accountability partner. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, one thing I recommend to new network marketers or network marketers who are struggling, to get some traction, with their business, I always recommend them to get an accountability partner. All right. And this works in pretty much any industry, but I think it really works well when it comes to network marketing. But the key to finding an accountability partner is finding a good accountability partner. So how do you find a good accountability partner? All right. So the first thing that you should do is check with your sponsor. All right. They might be a good accountability partner for you. It just depends on, who they are and, how busy they are. All right. So whoever you join in an opportunity, just check with your sponsor. Hey, would you be willing to be my accountability partner? They're definitely going to give you an answer, and they should be very receptive to you because you just joined their team. If they can't be your accountability partner for whatever reason, it's all good. Keep it moving. So most network marketing opportunities have teams within teams. All right. So most likely your sponsor is part of a team within the company. All right. So say, for example, I'm with Live Good. Now with Live Good, I'm on Team Diamond. All right. So Team Diamond has their own Facebook group, just for Team Diamond members. Now keep in mind, Live Good as a company has their own Facebook page as well. But if your sponsor can't be your, accountability partner, then you want to check with your team members. All right. So if I'm on Team Diamond, I'm going to go into my Team Diamond Facebook group and look for, different members to see if they're willing to be my accountability partner. Now, another tip is you want to find an accountability partner that is pretty much at the same level as you. I wouldn't get an accountability partner that's already making $20,000 a month because I feel, now this is my damn opinion, I feel like it's going to be hard talking to that person, hard relating to that person. All right. And I think that can cause different self-esteem issues if you're making zero and your accountability partner is making $20,000 a month. I would recommend, finding somebody close to where you're at. Either somebody who has been struggling with the opportunity or somebody who's brand new. That's the type of person I would go after. If for whatever reason you can't find nobody on Facebook, then you could always check YouTube. And that's simple. All you do is just do a search on, your company and then look for people who's new to the game. They just started posting YouTube videos. You can reach out to that person and see if they would be willing to be your accountability partner. Once you found somebody, you need to message that person. All right. So send them a simple message. Hey, we're in the same company or we're on the same team and I'm looking for accountability partner. Would you be interested in being mine? Keep it that simple. All right. Now, here's the thing. Here's the key. Even if a person's yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll be one. That's the first step. But you want to make sure that person is serious because you might get somebody who just nice or who just bored and they gonna agree to it. They might not even know what accountability partner is. They're gonna be yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll do it. No, before you actually commit to being an accountability partner with somebody, you need to make sure you talk to that person either via Zoom or on the phone or Facebook, FaceTime, whatever. You want to actually have a conversation with that person, hear that person's voice before you actually all right, yeah, that's my accountability partner. Because you will get a good feel of that person once you actually talk to them. So when you talk to that person, you want to see where they're coming from, right? You want to make sure that they are taking this opportunity serious because that's very, very important. If your accountability partner is somebody who doesn't have the same goals as you, it's not going to work out. Right? Because they're not going to put in the effort in their business and they're sure not going to really give a damn about what's going on with you. Once you found somebody that agrees to be your accountability partner, it's up to you guys to figure out how you guys want to operate. All right. Are you guys going to meet, once a week, once every other week or once a month? I personally recommend either doing once a week or once every other week. Doing it once a month, meeting up, to me, that's just, it's too far space in between talking, right? It's too many things can happen in a month, right? So I would suggest once a week or once every other week you meet with your partner. So you guys should have it figured out what you guys are supposed to be holding each other accountable for. So in most cases, you know, you guys go over each individual strategies, all right? So your partner might be like, I'm doing YouTube. Okay, well, what do you need to do, you know, to generate leads with YouTube? All right, I'm going to post 3 videos a week. I'm going to post in 4 shorts, right? So you might be a Facebook person. So you're going to be like, all right, I'm going to make 1 post every day, you know, Monday through Friday, and I'm going to do 3 Facebook reels, right? So you guys need to know what each other is supposed to be doing. So when you guys had that once a week meeting or every other week meeting, you guys can go over it. Hey, all right, well, let me check out your YouTube videos. Okay, send me the links. Okay. Hey, did you do your Facebook post? Okay, oh, I see them, right? You can check it out. Boom, 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 boom. All right, cool. Now here's the thing. You want to make sure your accountability partner is as serious as you. And unfortunately, you might run across somebody who's not that serious. Even when they get started, they might do 1 or 2 meetings with you, and then they might start falling off. You know what I'm saying? They might start always canceling on you, or got something to do, or say they forgot about the meeting. Here's my recommendation. So give your partner 2 times to mess up. All right, 2. And what I mean by that is, if they miss a meeting, or if they show up to your meetings and they're like not ready, or they never did what they said they was gonna do, like, give them 2 opportunities, right? 2 times that they mess up, and then guess what? You gotta let them go. You gotta find another accountability partner. There's no need of this knowing that your partner's trash and you just still kind of interacting with that person. They're going to be wasting your time. So give your partner 2 times to mess up, and then keep it moving. And here's something that might be hard to do, but you definitely need to do it if you want to have a good accountability partner. And that is to make sure your partner holds you accountable for what you need to be doing. All right, because let's be real, we all adults, you know what I'm saying? We know what we need to be doing. And if you always are showing up to your meetings and you're half-assing it, right? Maybe you the whack partner, right? You're not doing what you need to be doing, right? And your partner always like, okay, cool, or oh well, all right, well, see you next time. And they don't help you, they don't motivate you, they're not holding you accountable, then they're not a good partner, because a good partner should be holding you accountable for the things that you're supposed to be doing. So if you follow these tips, you will definitely be able to find a good accountability partner that can help you grow your network marketing business. Now, if you want to check out the opportunities that I'm currently involved with and making money with every single month, you want to check out the links in the description of this video and in the comment section. You can check them out right now.